So we're at the next to last lesson in this expert section of this meditation course. It's been a long journey. And what I want you to do now is to meditate while publicly speaking. Either you're holding a presentation for your class if you're a student, holding a presentation for your colleagues at work, or if you somehow put on a show for somebody. The point is that you are alone on the podium. All the lights are on you, and everybody is watching. And they're not saying anything. You need to keep it going. This is your show. Now, meditating then in this situation might be considered by many people, maybe most people, to be the most difficult situation to remain calm, centered, and aware that you exist, just witnessing. Of course, you need to have enough intellectual capability to do what you need to do to present your subject or whatever it is. But bring yourself back regularly to the core of silence in you. Take deep breaths. Take conscious breaths. Use any technique we've been through, but mainly remain aware that you exist. And if you are not used to public speaking, then of course your adrenaline will spike as you get up on stage. And you'll have a period of, the regular symptoms of not liking to be up there. But just keep being aware and calm, and it will leave you alone. And in 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to be right where you want to be. And of course, you might not have the option to speak publicly or present anything for anyone. And if that's the case, then no problem. Then no problem at all. But if you do, use it to meditate. You will really figure yourself out in that situation. Good luck. Let's go on to the last assignment in the expert section.